sure, sure slot na ba sa SEA Games na mga athletes natin like Aliasgo nag-set ng personal best niya? Considered na ba siya kagad na nasa lineup natin sa SEA Games or she still has to prove ulit yun, same as other athletes?
Yes po.
Ay, meron kasing mga qualifying standard. So once na na-hit mo yung standard, ay most probably sure ka na. Unless magkaroon ka ng sakit o injury. So, yun. Medyo malaki yung chances. Most probably sure na siya.
Pero wala pa kayong exact number na nag-qualify sa
Ang strategy ng Patapa, we fulfill all the entry by name, by number. Kasi matagal pa naman, so hindi natin alam kung sino pa yung mag-excel, sino pa yung mag-ano. Pero, we make sure na pinilapan natin lahat yung entry by number. Yan.
Thank you, Coach Dan.
Bernadette po from PTV Sports. Sir, paano po natin may ensure yung safety ng mga atleta considering po na mataas po yung heat index by weight?
Yes, Coach.
So, ganito na lang. Yung safety, of course, that's at most important yun, priority namin. Just like in other tournament na sinarihan namin, NCAA, ng UAP, there will always be a precautionary measure like ambulances, first aid, and of course, yung mga respective teams, we have to remind them, yung heat index na binabanggit mo, they have to be aware of that. It's more of conscious effort na lang namin to disseminate information na we have to be very careful in terms of the weather. So, we cannot take for granted yung init talaga, mainit. So, maybe from the Patapa side, i-remind na lang namin lahat ng participants to bring their own medical team or yung hydration. So, of course, isa sa mga sponsors namin.
Manila Water.
So, yung mination namin na meron talaga kaming enough supply of water or anything na makakatulong against heat index. Mataas eh.
In addition to that, schedule talaga namin yung laro ng hapon hanggang gabi. Kaya, para sa mga atleta din natin na hindi sila ma-exhaust doon sa init. At saka pinag-aralan din namin kasi yung tawag ito, yung itsura ng Clark pagdating sa hapon. Kasi pag hapon na, lilim na doon sa gaano mataas yung roofing. So, lilim na siya.
May shade na.
Oh, may shades na.
2 to 9, okay.
2. So, yun ang kagandahan doon sa ginawa natin kasi para sa mga atleta yun. Kasi nga yung init, lalo ngayon summer.
Tama. Kaya nga medyo natagalan ng namin ilabas yung schedule. It has several revision doon nangyari because of we consider yung tama nga yung sunset niya, yung the focus of the sun sa mga events, baka tamaan yung ball, baka tamaan yung long jump. So kaya ang natirang event sa morning is walk. So the rest is 2 p.m. from 9 p.m. o 10 p.m. So hopefully, tsaka yung mga tao definitely of course gusto manood ng medyo pahapon na. So kinonsider namin yun. So we expect more people to come because of that time frame from 2, 3, and then lahat ng finals definitely after 6 yan. So they will be there sitting comfortably enjoying the race. So yun yan. So I hope nasagot namin Bernadette yung sagot mo sa... So ano kami dyan, very conscious kami dyan. Very conscious kami.
Good morning.